Okay, I'll give you a little update on the Flamezum pure sine wave inverter, since I do have it hooked up. There is the instrument panel there. It'll tell you all your information, temperature, battery voltage, and your output. Also if you do get an error code, it will be in this section also. It definitely is a pure sine wave inverter. And how I tested that is this computer here, the Dell Precision T3610. This one here did not, like my modified inverter. All my newer computers run very well on that one, but this one here did not. It squawked quite a bit, a lot of noise. So, but it made a great test for this inverter that it definitely runs, definitely is the pure sine wave inverter. I thought that was a very good test. So that's why I'm making this little video. I have a link down there for the 1500 watt. They do make this in many different sizes. I'm sure they can accommodate anything you need. Just because this is a 12 volt, I know they have 24s. Just a quick overview. You have 4 plugs there. I know the lighting's pretty bad right now. There we go. Well, you get to hear what the fans sound like. It's cooking now. Not the quietest, but they definitely do work, don't they? They push a lot of heat out the back there. Well, I want to give you a little update. Now they're cool. I want to give you a little update that it's definitely a pure sine wave inverter. You know, some of them get a little questionable, especially on the smaller stuff that you buy. And getting pretty well complete on my little project here. So, well, that's it for about today. And like I say, I haven't any problems with it. It's run perfect right out of the box. That's what y'all want to hear. If you're buying something that's decent quality, it's going to work for you. You don't have to mess around with it. So, all right, thanks for watching.